been so interested in Pilates. I haven't been to an actual class, but I have been watching videos on TikTok University and YouTube University as well. And I feel like I am kind of an expert. I just feel like I've been in a Pilates class after watching this. So today I'm going to be focusing on my arms. And when I mean each of these exercises was a struggle for me, it was a struggle, but I completed it. It got done, but it wasn't pretty. Let's just say that. And this movement right here, I usually do this with two hands. I usually do this with two hands. And when you do it with two hands, it's not as bad as doing it with one. Like, I would never think it would be this difficult. And I'm lifting, I believe this is about 5 pounds. Oh, it's 8. See, I'm strong. I'm lifting 8 pounds. I feel like it's too heavy, but that was the only one that's available here at the gym. And we're just going to rock with it. I like doing this. And hold on, before I continue with this video, I don't know any of the names of the workouts. I just going by what I see. That's what I'm saying. And like I said, everything that I'm doing, I feel the burn. And I always say how my upper body needs to be built. Like the strength, like my upper body strength is so weak, as you can see. And I need to get these arms together because nobody wants them grandma, what they call the auntie arms, that when you see them, you know that they know how to cook. No, I don't want that. I don't want that anymore. So we need to get it together. And I'm taking a lot of breaks because I need every break that I can get. And this doing a little circle thing, oh my God. It is burning me, but it is okay. I know this video was not what I expected. We're going to do a part 2 because I feel like it's working. Well, anything you're doing, moving your body in a calorie deficit is going to work. So we're going to do a part 2.